Hey, my name is Ethan and I am the founder of MixPeak, an enterprise multimodal intelligence platform. And in this demo, we'll walk through the ability to use MixPeak for insurance companies to better evaluate the insurance premiums of assets that they are insuring. And these particular assets are for homes, but they can be anything. And what we'll be doing is we'll be doing an analysis on the images and videos of commercial and residential properties in our asset catalog. And so the first example that we'll have is we'll just search across the images for, let's say, a commercial building with fire damage. And so we see a bunch of these examples, these images, as well as automatically generated captions for those images. So these are all automatically generated. We understand the contents of the image in order to return the result, as well as generate a caption. And we can also supply an image as the query. So let's say we want to find, in this example, it's a flood inside of a house. We can run a query on that and find images that have floods inside the home. So here are some of the examples there. And we can also supply an image to add to that catalog. And so here we will be adding this example, which is roof damage in a home. So if we search roof damage, just to show roof damage on a home, just looking through results to note what we have here. And so we'll then add that new file, roof damage here, add it, successful. That'll take a second or so to actually add to the index. So it's extracting the caption from the image and it's adding it to the index. So if we do this search again, let's see, boom, we got that result. So a view of a house that has been damaged by a roof, right? So those are images. So we've done a text search, we've done an image search, and we've added an image to the index. So let's do the same thing for videos. Let's look into flood. So flood of a home. We got some of these results here. So we can see the timestamp in which that query is present in the video. At 41, looks like a little bit of a flood there. We got another one here. Let's see, 144. And then we've got another one here. Okay. And so we can do the same thing that we did before, which is supplying a video as the query. And so the video that we're going to be using here is a building collapsing with a flood, from a flood damage. And so let's use that video as the search query here. Run it. Run that query. Cool. And let's take a look at what those results are. So that looks pretty similar. Also pretty similar. Let's see. Looks like it stopped at 50. Also pretty similar. So there you have it. We did a text image search. We did an image search. We added an image. We looked at the caption that was generated automatically from that image. And we did the same thing for videos. And we could add a video to the index as well. Just like images, it'll automatically generate captions of the timestamps in those videos. It takes a little bit longer, so it's not as good for this short demo. But hopefully this showcases the capabilities to use MixPeak's multimodal intelligence platform to better evaluate the risk of assets that you are insuring. Again, my name is Ethan, and the company is MixPeak. Feel free to reach out for any questions. Thank you.